to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. In today with us we have a very rare Ferrari. So we've got a Ferrari Testarossa. It's not in for a huge amount of work with us. It's in to have the interior cleaned, dash all cleaned and treated, leather all treated as well. A couple other minor little bits of repairs, but that is it. So we'll sort of keep you up to date as we go with this. It's not going to be a massive video because we haven't got a huge amount to do with the car. Normal stuff, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned as always. Woohoo! We're also refurbishing both seats on the Testarossa, so as you can see we've now removed the seats from the car because the best way to do them is out of the vehicle so we don't get any colour anywhere else on the car. So there we go, that's the inside of the car with the seats removed, and then we've got the seats over here. So this is the passenger seat, which in actual fact isn't in too bad a condition at all, so we just do a couple of small areas you see on the side bolster there. Going to do that bit, and then on the driver's seat we've got the normal places where all the seats were, so the side bolster. Okay, so we're going to repair and then recolour that, blend the colour across, and the same on the base section of the seat as well. So we'll now crack on with them, start prepping them up, and away we go.
Lovely job.
And here goes young Adam is now going to start prepping them.
Here we go. Give it a little Avalon down. Starting for the paint to key to. A little bit of leather fill first. Lovely times.
Lovely times. Superb. Once we've keyed them up, the seats are already being cleaned, so once we've keyed everything up, then we get a bit of leather filler, which is a flexible filler, which we only use a small amount. That's just to take up where the damage is, where the top surface of the leather is missing, and then we'll re-prep everything, and then we'll start to put the colour on.
I know, that's very kind of you, but...
And here is Mark.
Oh yeah, 3 cups of tea, standing next to the...
Lovely.
Thank you.
Cheers.
This is yours. A bit hot.
Bit spilt, mate, bit spilt.
We all know that you're my favourite. Your favourite.
That was Ashley when he was here.
Cheers. So we've just got the leather filler into the damage. So we prepped the seat, sanded some of the damage back just to get rid of the worst. Then we've used the leather filler, which is the grey product, over the top. We just got the sand that back very slightly, just so there's no edges or anything to the filler. And then we can start to put our adhesion promoter on. Light coat of that, and onto the colour. There we go. Excellentus. And there's Adam's behind. Oh, we mentioned it's Adam's birthday.
It is. 19 I am. Just had a hard paper round.
I don't know. Here we go, look. Oh, and today is Adam's birthday, so Adam has brought in, look at these little beauties, look.
Woohoo! From Greg's, you know.
Get a little close up. Lovely.
What
are your thoughts on this then, Mr. Gaffer?
Well, I'm thinking I'm going to go for one of these ones.
Which one are you going for?
This.
Oh, nice.
You like this? A bit sticky.
Yeah. Just the way we like it.
That's going to go down a treat with a nice cup of coffee, you know?
Most definitely. And then we've also got a little bit of Tesco's Finest from Dominic. So we'll have that as well.
A little bit of sponge, cream and jam, you know?
Oh, look at that. Oh. Food porn, food porn. Oh, it's the way he licks his lips.
I couldn't eat this without licking my lips. Oh, lovely.
Right, the seats are now all done, ready to go back in the Ferrari. All unmasked, all then been re-cleaned, just to make sure there's no excess colour on anything and no overspray. Look at these, look lovely. We've tried to, when we do any of this type of work, we try to keep it so they look in really good condition, especially in an older car like this. But what we don't want to do is end up with seats that look like they've been fully repaired. So we, as you can see, so they look really good, but hopefully still keeping them with the wear lines from the leather ready to go back in. So we'll get these back in the car, give everything a final tidy up, good to go. And today is Adam's birthday.
Hey! Adam! Easy.
So here we go, boys, here we go.
Oh, look at this. No expense bet on the candle.
God, we're going to have issues.
Yeah, this doesn't look great. Can't get paid to burn. He got that burn for his paper.
I can't believe you put a £20 note on there.
Happy birthday to Adam. Happy birthday to Adam. Happy birthday dear Adam. Happy birthday to you. Oh,
What are you doing?
Oh, like,
Oh, yeah, it's different in the eye.
whose idea was this?
It's his idea. Right. I'd like to say very well.
oh, we lit that end first, I think.
I better stop that. A little bit unloved in there to start with. It's had a full interior valet. We're now just about to dress the leather.
Superb. Really iconic supercar this, isn't it? Right, the Ferrari Testarossa is now all finished. Thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications. Also check out the links below. There's links to our shop, our websites, Instagram, Facebook. Hopefully you can follow us on a few of them as well. On our shop we've got the hoodies and the t-shirts for our Black Stag Styling. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos. Don't forget also comment down below if there's anything else you'd like us to see. And of course what you think of the Testarossa. Fantastic car. Thanks for checking out our channel.